Tired of dealing with dry, damaged hair that feels brittle and lifeless? Imagine a shampoo that doesn't just clean but actually restores moisture where your hair needs it most. That's exactly what TRESemmé Moisture Rich Shampoo promises. Optimized hydration that breathes new life into every strand, leaving your hair soft, manageable, and glowing with health. What sets this shampoo apart is its carefully crafted formula, enriched with vitamin E and biotin. These powerful ingredients work together to soften hair without weighing it down, helping to repair damage from daily styling and environmental stress. I've tried countless products, but TRESemmé Moisture Rich consistently delivers that professional quality softness and shine that lasts for days, not just hours. It's gentle enough for regular use yet effective enough to transform dry, brittle hair into something you'll actually want to show off. Beyond just the shampoo, TRESemmé offers a full moisture-rich hair care system, from conditioning masks to detangling sprays, that supports your hair's health at every step. Plus, the brand's commitment to empowering women in leadership adds a meaningful layer to your purchase. If you're ready to treat your hair to hydration that truly makes a difference, this line is worth a look. If you've been searching for a reliable solution to revive dry hair without breaking the bank, TRESemmé Moisture Rich Shampoo is a smart choice. It delivers real results with nourishing ingredients and a formula designed to lock in moisture where it counts. Try it when you're ready to experience hair that feels softer, looks shinier, and stays healthy longer.